Choose the correct answers. What do you call the background image on the desktop? What action should you take to create a new folder? How do you put a computer to sleep? Fill in the blanks. The dash menu allows access to installed apps. The clock on the taskbar shows the current dash. A theme includes wallpaper, colors, and dash. You can open the control panel through the dash menu. True or false? Themes in Windows 11 include sounds. Microsoft Edge is a type of hardware. The taskbar shows time and open apps.